Hello everyone, welcome to Groweon. Today, we're diving into our powerful sales automation dashboard designed to simplify, streamline, and enhance your sales operations. Here, you have your entire lead funnel in one place. This dashboard provides real-time visibility into lead performance and team activity. The first screen you see upon login highlights pending follow-ups. This shows whether your team is missing any follow-ups or if they're on track. If leads appear under tabs like yesterday, today, or 5-day old, it means the team is missing them, increasing the risk of losing business. Once you're on the dashboard, you can view your entire lead pipeline and each lead's stage. You'll see total active leads, new leads, follow-ups, upcoming follow-ups, and how many quotations have been sent at a glance. Opportunities are both open and closed, and those converted into business or lost are visible too. The dashboard also displays month-on-month performance. For each month, you can see how many leads were generated and the revenue achieved. You'll find details on total sales orders, new customers, and this month's performance compared to the last. The graphical section shows sales performance over the last 6 months along with sales orders and lead generation. There's an essential tab for outstanding balances that need collection. The Lead by Source report shows which sources are contributing to lead acquisition and highlights major reasons for losing leads. This can help address issues and boost business. The dashboard displays your sales pipeline, showing how many leads are in the pipeline and assigned to whom. You'll see usernames and related details. Next up is the User Activity Report, illustrating the number of leads being managed. It tracks user calls, meetings, updates, quotes, matured deals, lost deals, and the revenue generated by the user. All these features are filter-based, allowing you to view data from today, yesterday, or via a calendar. Your daily sales report and Lead by Source report are also available. This report is highly effective because it shows the performance and ratio of different platforms where you invest to generate leads and business. Additionally, the dashboard lists your top 5 selling products and latest 5 sales orders. You can also assess your team's performance directly from here. The dashboard is comprehensive with download options available. By clicking on any section, you'll find all data is interactive. You can review the data effortlessly. If you wish to download any information, you can do so. Everything is interactive. This dashboard is incredibly useful. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks a lot.